When I saw its eyes, I knew it yearned for freedom. But dark clouds came and it was lost. It didn't know where to go.
Where'd it end up?
I haven't read that yet.
What if you get lost?
Then I'll probably go and find you.
It's time, Tina. We have an appointment with Mia. Come along. Give me that book. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Thank you. Let me put that there. Wait. Let me take that for you. There you are. Now hold on to me. Careful. Come on. Come on, slowly.
Can I help you? Annie. I heard that you were sentenced to 17 years and released early.
I'm working hard.
About that letter. I sent it to you a few years ago. In fact, Tina was my first patient. But I was too young.
I just want to know what you said to her at the time.
My name is Mia. Glad to meet you.
Hi, Mia.
Would you like to do something fun with me?
Yeah, sure.
Got some paper and pens here. If you'd like to draw something. Think of the most beautiful place you could ever imagine.
I can try.
Can I see it?
No, sorry. I don't think I'll be able to finish it.
It's not a problem.
No. It is. There's nothing in my mind.
Sit. Put your bag next to you. I'll put your stick next to here. Look, just here, so it's not sticking out. Now, Mummy's going to go and see the doctor alone. Right? You stay here. I won't be a moment. Hi, look, I need to speak to you. I just need some idea of how I can help Tina.
I know you're concerned about her, but I think it might be better to give her a more relaxed environment in this situation. Maybe she could learn a musical instrument, or something that gives her the freedom.
What are you doing? Didn't you hear me? so many times. Why are you sitting there? Well, get up and take a bath. What's this? Did you do that on purpose? The bowl you just broke? Why do you have this? Why? Say something. Why are you doing this to Mummy? You loved me so much when you were little. Don't you love me?
Mom, I'm so sorry to make you angry recently. In the past 20 years, I've been trying to make everybody happy. I always tried to be a better person. But I'm getting so tired now. I love you so much. Please, forgive me.
Tina. Oh, what have you done? Oh. Somebody help me!
I'll call 999.
I killed her. She couldn't even speak anymore. I could have done it differently.
You didn't. She was already in pain. Hey, look at me. Look at me.
I loved her. I really did. I'm the only one left now.
Hey, you're not alone. You have me. You have hope. Everyone gets lost at times. Tina's end is not your end. And even if she were here today, she'd still be blind. And there's nothing that you could do that could change that. You brought her here and you let her go free. You didn't force her. This is what she wanted. This is what she wanted. This is what she wanted.
Mom?
Yeah?
There are no land birds. They're always flying, never landing.
They land? Birds land all the time.
No, not those birds. I can tell by the way they sing. They're no land birds. They either fly forever or they fall free.